Have you ever felt like you're always running late to every money making opportunity? Like everyone else is investing and growing while you're stuck worrying? What if I told you that fear, not lack of money, is what is holding you back? In this video, I will review three biggest investing mistakes people make because of fear. These aren't just minor slip-ups. They are mistakes that keep you broke while others are building wealth. Stay with me to the end because mistake number three is the most dangerous and the most ignored. Let's get started. Let's talk about one of the biggest traps for new and even experienced investor, chasing the hype. You hear about a new crypto stock or a business opportunity everyone is rushing into. Social media is buzzing, your friends are talking about it and you're scared to miss out. That is FOMO in action, fear of missing out. The problem? When something becomes a trend, it's often already too late to profit big. The price is slightly inflated and you end up buying high. And when the hype dies, prices crash. Many people did this with Bitcoin, NFTs, and even real estate bubbles. Hype is not a strategy, it is noise. Smart investors don't follow the crowd. They follow fact, research, and long-term value. Here's a quick tip. If you hear about an investment on social media, ask yourself, why now? Is it a smart move for your goals or are you just afraid of being left behind? You can avoid this mistake by having a clear plan. Know your investment goals and stick to them. Set rules for yourself. Never invest more than what you can afford to lose. Always research before putting in your money. And finally, remember that real wealth is built over time, not overnight. Ignore the hype. Focus on the value behind the investment. So mistake number two is panic selling. That is the fear of losing everything. So imagine this. You invest your money, everything looks good, then suddenly, bam, the market crashes. Your investment drops in value overnight. Your heart sinks. You feel sick, you panic, and you sell everything to stop further losses. That is panic selling, and it is one of the most common and the most damaging investing mistake. Here's the truth. Market naturally go up and down. That is called volatility, and it's very, very normal. If you sell in a panic, you lock in your losses. The money you lose is real because you sold at a low point. Now let's look at history. In 2020, when the pandemic hit, market crashed. Many people sold out of fear, but a few months later, market recovered and even hit new highs. Now those who still invested recovered. Those who panicked lost money. So how do you avoid panic selling? First, you have to have an emergency fund. I keep talking about emergency fund, and the video I put out on account you need to build wealth. You need to check out that video. Now that way you don't need to touch your investment during tough times. Secondly, understand your risk level. Don't invest in things that make you panic when they drop. And thirdly, zoom out. Investing is a long-term game. Look at 5-year or 10-year chart, not daily swings. Paper losses aren't real unless you sell. Be patient, stay calm, let your money work. Now, this is my favorite part. The mistake number three a lot of persons make is not investing at all. The fear of making a mistake. I mean, let's talk about the silent killer of wealth, doing nothing. That is right, not investing at all, because you're afraid of making the wrong choice. Many people wait for the perfect time. They overthink, worry, hesitate, and in the meantime, inflation is quietly eating your money. Keeping your cash in a savings account or under your mattress may feel safe, but it is not. It is losing value every day. Let's do the math. If you save 100,000 for 5 years and inflation is 15% yearly, your money's value shrinks. After 5 years, it is worth far less than 100,000 in real returns. That's money lost without spending an era. So why do people avoid investing? There's fear of failure, fear of losing money, fear of looking stupid. But the biggest mistake is, waiting too long. Time is your best friend in investing. The earlier you start, the more you gain. Here's how to overcome fear. Start small. Start small. Start by your 1,000, your 5,000 naira, your 10,000 naira, and you don't need to invest huge amount. All right, learn as you go. Choose simple, low risk investment at first. The link to that video will be in the description, or right after now, it will be popping up. Read books, watch videos like this one, take action. There is no perfect time. The perfect time to invest really exists. But starting now, even with little, puts you ahead of those who keep waiting. Don't let fear stop you. Learn, start, and grow. Most people think investing is about money, but it's really about mindset. If you can master your fear, you can master your money. So here's the challenge. Don't just watch videos, take action. Avoid these three mistakes and you'll be ahead of most people. If this video helped you, please like it, comment below, and share with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more simple, powerful money tips that work in real life. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, fear is temporary, but regret lasts forever.